Paul at Travis. Yung nag-request, wala rito. Hindi namin tuloy-tuloy. Wala si Paul, okay. Kung wala si Paul, wala na. Wala si Paul, yan. Sige. Hindi, wala, okay na. Sabihin nila. Ay, oo nga, si Elaine. Guys, pala-pala yung sarili nyo again for being here, for supporting all the acts. Grabe. Let's give a round of applause for music, for being here as well. Dahil sa pagkuha sa bilis, sa kanila mga artist. Wala naman na rin. Hindi na. Yung nag-request, wala. So, unless it's all. So, yung mga nag-request ito kasi mga ay, iba. Oo. Nagpalit ako ng gitara. Oo. Naka-ano pala yun. Hindi lang. Tama na. Sorry guys. Na-pressure ako daw. Ayan na! Ayan na! Ay, wow! By two people tonight, and obviously they've been listening to us since we came out. We came out 2013, going 2014, and this was our first ever single. Naalala namin, Boy Pa yung Pinoy Tuner. Dito, Boy Pa yung Ranger Republic. Naalala niyo Ranger Republic? Yeah! So this is our first ever single as a band. Tandaan niyo na? 2018 ka, di ba? Tandaan mo na rin. This song I made for a friend of mine na last yung drugs, sobra. Tapos nawala siya mga 6 months. Grabe, obvious. Kasi wala siya ng 6 months. Kasi makita ko siya. Sabi ni bro, where you been? Kasi ano siya Canadian, Russian siya. So, oh bro, my parents are coming over. So we decided to sober up. Sabi ko, knowing you, sobrang lala ako drugs. Nag-sober up siya kasi narating yung mga magulang niya rito. Tapos suddenly after nun, nung end of the night, wala, drugs din siya ulit. So, balik din. Pero okay lang, he's somewhere in Canada right now. At peace. Hindi pa siya patay, pero puro choking na lang siya ngayon. So, ayun. So, yun siya ang inspiration ko sa song na to. And this song is about sobriety. That's why the song is called Muted and Bar. Thank you so much. Okay na. Welcome bro, welcome. Para sa'yo, album lunch na eh. Simpleng regalo. Simpleng ano. Thank you na rin. Thank you for inviting us.